Hello everyone, and welcome to Learning Experience. My name is Mercy and I'm the host of this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to rotate column headings in Word. Let's examine this table for example. If you look at the headings, you would notice that the length of the headings are significantly longer than the length of the content. And that creates lots of white space in the content. And that might not be what you want. And so you want to reduce the white space in the content. One solution you might come up with might be to resize the table, just like I'm doing. But if you resize the table this way, it creates another problem, which is that the headings now split into multiple lines. You can see this splits into 2 lines and this splits into 3 lines. That doesn't help with readability and shouldn't be what you want to do. I'll undo this. And sometimes as well, you might need to add more columns to the table. However, if you add more columns to this table, it's going to create the same problem. It's going to make the headings split into multiple lines. So that wouldn't work. Now, you might think, all right, I'm going to change the page layout from portrait to landscape so I can add more columns. And then you do this. Right, I've been able to add more columns and the headings are still on one line, but the problem of the white space is still there. There's still a lot of white space in the content. And so, what is the solution? The solution is to rotate the headings so they are vertical. All right, so currently they are horizontal. You want to change them to vertical. In other words, you're rotating 90 degrees. All right, so I'm going to show you how to do that. To do that, the first thing you want to do is to highlight the headings. All right, so you highlight the headings and then you go to the table layout. So this is the table layout here. And you want to find text direction. If you find text direction, currently it's horizontal, click on it and it's going to change to vertical. Once you've done that, you can increase the width of the columns so your text or the headings can fit into one line. And I've done that. And then you can change the alignment. So I'm changing to left alignment so you can match the content. So once that's done, you can resize the table. And that is it. So I've been able to change the text direction to vertical, and I've also been able to reduce the white space in the content. And that's how you do it. I hope you've learned something. If you have learned something today, kindly click on like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you very much and see you in my next video.